Welcome again. In this video, we will be talking about how you can insert a PDF viewer in a page or a post. We will insert the previously created PDF viewer into a page or a post. For that, let's go to Pages and then Add New. Let's put a title, Test PDF Page. And now, we will take the PDF viewer block here. Search for PDF viewer here and then click Add PDF Viewer. There are select types. You can either embed, create a link, or an image. Let's first take a embed option. You need to search for your PDF viewer. Search with the name. Let's search for test as I have named first test PDF. Set up with the width, height, and iframe title. And then click insert. Now when you publish it, you can see a PDF viewer has been embedded into that page. Here you can see a PDF viewer has embedded. When you click the full screen mode, it will open in full screen. Let's talk about the other options now. We have talked about the embed option. So let's remove this block and take another block. Same process, search for PDF, take the PDF viewer, click on Add PDF Viewer, and then take the link option now. You need to do the same, search for the viewer now. And here you need to put a text, a link text, which will be shown on that page. And the link will have the PDF inside it. Then you can put a class which then be added with additional CSS. And the link target will be new tab or the same tab. It will open the PDF viewer in either the new tab or in the same tab. Here you can see the link. This is my test link. And now when I click in the link, it will open a PDF viewer. How easy is that? Working with PDF viewer for WordPress is really easy. Now let's talk about the third option, the image option. Same process, search for PDF, take the PDF viewer block, and here you need to choose the image option. Here again you need to search for your viewer, and here you need to upload an image. Click on upload, and you can select it from your media library or upload it from your PC. I am going to upload it from a computer. You can see, select it and click open, and then when the upload is done, click select. So I've uploaded my image. Now put the alt text. You can put any alt text that you need here. The next option is the link target. It will open in new tab or in the same tab. Put the width and height as per your need, and here you can align the image also. There is the CSS option to put any kind of additional CSS. So put a class if you need. Then click update, and when you preview, you can see here an image. But when we click on this image, it will open the PDF viewer. So this is how easy to work with PDF viewer for WordPress. Let me tell you, PDF viewer for WordPress has different add-on for different builders, like Elementor add-on, Divi add-on, Avada, or WPBakery. So if you want to work with different builders or themes, you can choose those add-ons. I'll put the link in the description, and there are videos as well. You can insert the PDF viewer in a post, same as I have shown inserting in a page. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.